and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. So today what I'm going to be doing is my first studio tour. So this type of video has been very highly requested. It's actually been the most requested video I've ever gotten, and although it isn't my bedroom, which most of you want to see, which I just want to throw out, I'm never gonna film because my bedroom is so unclean. But yeah, so I'm gonna film a studio tour today, and I hope you like it. So if you remember my old studio, which I'll try to insert a picture right here. If you remember that, this is that studio, but it is completely redone, and we have taken flooring and we have taken the concrete, we've taken the whole different route, and we have gotten rugs and taken some old furniture and just stuff and thrown it all together to make a wonderful place like this. So you kind of saw a brief idea of what you were gonna see in the video in the beginning. Of what everything is, so you can just get more of a sense of this space. So let's get right into it. When you walk in through the door, obviously what you're gonna see is this little rack, and this rack houses most of my outfits, almost all of them actually. I hope to have a video on outfits that I like soon. But yeah, this is just a collection of white and more muted outfits. And then this is some blue. And then we have this little rack, and it holds my hats and a bunch of different other accessories like swimsuits, toboggans, and hats, and a tufted jacket or a pea coat. Sorry, I don't know why I said that. We also have my jean jacket right here, which I love. And then we also have this smile little thing, and I love it. It's so cute, and it used to be in my room. Over to the wall, you see that we have a couple hooks holding backpacks, and those are located everywhere throughout the room. So we have this, and this, which is so adorable, and I love it so much. To the right, you will see this wonderful little shelf, and this used to be in the actual slime room, which is what this room is. So this room has this same shelf, and it has this light. I keep my school supplies and like my sprocket and some cords for my projector right there, and then some shuttle markers, which I love. I think there's 188 of them. They're really cute. Also my signature clout goggles. If you've always wondered where I keep them, I always keep them in this room ever since the studio's redone. I have this Vizio TV. It's my sister's old TV, and I took it and I put it in here so that I could watch stuff when I'm sitting down. I have this nice flower that used to be in my bathroom, and I got a different decoration in there. So yeah, this is nice. Moving down, you see this little box, and it holds just some extra like stuff needed for skincare, and then that holds like that little wire to go to the TV, another lamp. These were $5 from Walmart. I got them on sale, and they're LED and they're really cute. This is my AirPods case if you're wondering. But yeah, that is a projector, and those are 2 iPads. And then down there I have a history book, some more school books, and then a trash can. And everything in this room that stays in plugged in constantly is connected by surge protector. So I know that you see right there that there is a little black thing, and that goes to my ring light, which I use in almost all my videos, which is really cool. But yeah, it is held in just the wall, but the rest of the stuff is held by surge protector. You can obviously see this wonderful chevron rug, which leads up to, there's my dog's bone, he likes to hang out here sometimes, this little futon bed. Now, before we got all this studio stuff redone in here, that tapestry used to be right here on this wall with the clothes. The couch was folded up and not a bed with memory foam, so it was right here. And then I had my light and a desk but those are gone now. Those were really old pieces of furniture, except the bed, but what that we had bought new. This is my MacBook. It has a little stand. I have LEDs on it, but I don't keep them plugged in because I have string lights also right there, and I think that's really cute. There's the tapestry. It's in all my videos. It's my signature thing. That and cloud goggles. So if you want to make me a profile pic of me with that in the background and that, thank you. But yeah, I have a bunch of pillows. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, yeah, around 8 or 7 throw pillows. But yeah, and then if you've ever seen this little poking thing in the back of my videos, that's my ukulele, and it's a Cordova C22. Whew. This bed is super comfortable, and I would sleep here all the time if I didn't have a room upstairs. But yeah, so this is the little bed. It does get a little hot down here sometimes, but that's only when because it's spring, and that's just why I have a little fan going, which if you ever hear in the back of my videos, that is the fan. Some videos I turn it off, but sometimes I don't, because my light will actually generate heat. If you understand that ring lights and other LED lights can also generate a little bit of heat. That one does because it has a plastic ring on the outside, and I don't know, it just always makes me feel hotter with a light on me. So these are just a couple of the backpacks. I think I have 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think I have around 8 backpacks hanging up, which I just counted, so yeah. Anyways, but I have this Conkin. I actually have another Conkin that I use for school, upcoming video. And then I have a North Face backpack, which I used to use for school, but I love it still so much. It has a whistle on it in case you get lost, because it's for exploring, so that's cool. And then that's my Burton backpack. I have that one. I've had that one for so long. It's kind of crazy. But yeah, so where I edit is right here at this little table sometimes. I will just put my legs right here, and I will turn and do this. And I won't edit with this computer because this isn't really the best editing machine. I like to go with my early, mid, or late 2017 Retina MacBook Pro Touch Bar, 256 gigabyte SSD. So I will usually edit on this. This is a MacBook Pro, not pre-Retina, 2012, with 500 gigabytes of storage. I don't think that's how the initial hard drive is shipped with. I think it came with a new hard drive, but yeah, it's in pretty great condition, and I got it for around $250 on eBay. Very, very good deal for a supported machine. Won't be supported much longer, but yeah, it's great, and I love the key clicks. So if you're wondering how long ago we actually redid my studio, we actually redid the studio, well, let's see, I think we redid it in June or July, I don't know, but whenever we redid it, it was crazy. We had a bunch of walls going up, we had baseboards, we had all this paint going up, and these lights, and new wall things, and we even have a modem in here now, which is neat. Yeah, so I have 1, 2, 3 wall outlets, but everything is connected by surge protector, like I told you. And yeah, that's basically my studio. Alright, yeah, I guess this was kind of short video, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Yeah, alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye.